Hey guys, so today you are going to continue with costume design and how it helps create a character. You will spend the majority of class time creating a character costume design on Drawit based on the details you are going to be given. Before you begin your design, you will read 2 steps that will help you through the process of creating a costume for the character you choose. These 2 steps are choose costumes that communicate and make them pop. After you have read through these 2 steps, you will choose one character description listed on your Nearpod for the character you will design. These characters were created through a character generator, and it is your job to bring them to life through costume design. Once you have chosen your character, you will access the Google Doc to answer a few questions before you use Drawit. So based on the questions you answer, you will draw out a costume design for the character you have chosen. And after you have finished your design, you will complete your exit ticket and you will be done. If you have questions, go ahead and ask on Remind or through email. You guys have a great day and we will see you next week.